In this video, I'll show you how to react to a message on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. And if you want to react to a message on Discord, at first you need to be on a particular server, right? So from this server setting, or from this server view, you can see that there's a whole lot of reactions right here from different people from different countries and a whole lot of them. So this video is basically an educational video. I'm going to show you how you can react to a message if you want to do this as well. So you're going to click on any of the above reactions right here. I'm going to click on it, right? So you can just click on it. Wait for it to load up. Let me see what it got for us. So I think oh yeah, click on this. I think yeah, I cannot be able to do that, I guess. Exactly. So I'm gonna click on this so you can see I'm reacting to this, right? So you can see it, so this is how you can react to Discord messages, right? I found this video helpful. Shout out below in the comment section. See you guys in a very next one.